How's it going, YouTube? My name is Caffeinated Mike, and I am in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Welcome to my travel series about vacationing in Mexico, but not at a resort. Today I wanted to talk about deciding if you should go to a resort or find an Airbnb. The Airbnbs in Mexico are not like your typical Airbnbs elsewhere. And what I mean by that is this Airbnb, I'm staying at an Airbnb right now. And this Airbnb has like a reception lobby. It has a gated, protected card that you can swipe to get in the building. And there's someone at the front desk. You can call them if you need anything. And they even have maids that come in and clean every so often, like every couple days or something. And normally an Airbnb wouldn't have those services, but in Mexico, because especially in Puerto Vallarta, it's so tourist based, and they're competing against the big resorts. They're offering these extra services in some of the Airbnbs. It's not all of them, but it's in some of them. My friends convinced me to come here and not go to a resort. And I was like, I don't know, I love going in pools. And that's one of the reasons why I love staying at resorts. And this Airbnb has a rooftop pool and everyone in the building can use it. But lately, whenever we've been up there, it's just been us. And it's awesome. It's like we have our private rooftop pool and it's beautiful up there. There's a barbecue, there's tons of chairs. You can get some good sun. As you can see, I'm turning a bit red from the sun. I need to get darker. But yeah, it's beautiful here. And I never would have thought that an Airbnb would have all of this stuff. So it's just a matter of shopping around and seeing what works for you and what works for how you want to travel. So how about I give you a hotel tour? An Airbnb tour really quickly. And then after, I'll bring you upstairs and show you the awesome rooftop pool. And this Airbnb also has a built-in gym, which is sweet. It has everything you would want in a resort, but more private, and it's not as busy. So that's pretty cool. The only thing missing is the free food. But that's okay, because in my other video, I'm gonna show you guys some of the local restaurants and how you can get authentic Mexican food. And I really like seeing that stuff and eating that stuff because it's delicious. All right, let's start the tour. We have our own private balcony with an amazing view of the Puerto Vallarta hills. Check this out. The windows open all the way and we get this huge open area. Unfortunately, it's super noisy here because a bunch of buses always drive by here, which kind of sucks. But I'll show you the view. The ocean is down over there, you can kind of see. But yeah, it's a nice big area. Other than the noise, it's awesome. I'm gonna close this now so that it's not as noisy in the video. Okay, this is the living area. We actually, we changed the furniture around to make it more spacious. Shh, don't tell the Airbnb people. Yeah, flat screen TV. Some nice chairs, coffee table. This is the kitchen, it's beautiful. You got some bar stools that you can pull out. We have them tucked in to save some space. This nice counter here. Fancy stove. With one of these ranges here. Hi. There's a coffee machine, dishwasher, nice sink, got a clock. They even came with an iHome thing, and I've been playing music from my phone. It's pretty sweet. And an old school phone. And then this is actually for old ladies who want to put groceries in here. Yeah, beautiful kitchen. It comes with an air conditioned thing up here. Some very nice paintings on the wall. there's lights all up here. It's pretty sweet. And at nighttime it's pretty bright, so when you turn the lights on, it gives like a nice dim effect. It looks like someone is home. Who's here? I'm just recording a nice Airbnb tour.
Why are your pants off?
What? What you talking about? So yeah, this is a super long hallway. Here is a master bedroom. Some nice space here. Ignore the clothes. There's like owl thingies everywhere. My pants are on, by the way. Look, proof. It comes with a washer and dryer, so you don't need to pack as many clothes because you can wash it here. And that's a benefit of staying at Airbnb, because at a resort, I don't think you can do that unless you find a laundromat somewhere or the resort offers that, but usually they don't. So I was able just to bring like a carry-on luggage, and I love that. Like, I hate having to pack a big suitcase. And because of the laundry dryer, I was able to pack light. Let me show you the bathroom. Got a nice shower here. It's huge. We had to bring our own like soap and shampoo and conditioner because that's not provided. You got like over there, you got a bunch of hooks for your towels, a nice sink. The maids left a nice like towel fan design, some drawer space. Yeah, it's, you know, it's a pretty nice bathroom. And this connects to the master bedroom here, as you guys saw earlier. So I'm gonna take you now into the second bedroom. This is like the front door area here. Look at these, magnetic, awesome. This window opens like that. It's kind of weird. I don't really like it, but it gets some air through, which is nice. Here is the other bedroom. It's nice and small, but you know, it gets the job done. It's good for sleeping. This is our view from this angle here. It's really nice. Sometimes like, oh wait, there's a dog on the roof there. If you can see, he's like in the door. And there's like cats that hang out there all the time. They're nice. It's nice to look at. So there we have it. That's pretty much the Airbnb. You know, it's a decent size. It's super private, and it's awesome. Like, this is a much better experience than I thought it would be, because I was like I wasn't sure about staying at Airbnb. I always stay at resorts. So this is a good change. Now I'll take you to the rooftop so you can see the beautiful pool. I am at the rooftop pool at my Airbnb. This Airbnb is in the condo building called the Park, and it's freaking beautiful. I've been staying most of my time up here because it's just awesome. The view is amazing and the pool is like pristine. So let's take a look. As you can see, we have this nice like seating area here. It's in the shade, so you know, if the sun is getting to you, you can come here and chill. There's a TV here. A bunch of Americans were watching the Oscars yesterday. There's even like take a book, leave a book. So if you want to get your read on, you can come over here. And there's even a little kitchen. An ice machine, some fridges, a sink. You can prepare your food. It's pretty sweet. The great thing about this building is that the pool is never really busy, so I feel like I have like a private pool to myself. It's awesome. There's a barbecue over there. And come take a look at the pool. Isn't that awesome? I love it. It's so good. The best part is the view. You can see the ocean from this rooftop, and you can see all of Puerto Vallarta along the hills. Isn't it awesome? Are you able to get the ocean there? Nice. Beautiful. Now let's talk to strangers. Come. Some nice flowers. And who's this guy? Hello, sir. What do you think of this rooftop pool?
It'll do.
It'll do? This is Sean.
Hello.
He is mooching today. He's mooching the pool. But you know what? It's worth it. Nobody's here. Might as well have our own party up here, right? And that's it. That's the pool. Now I'm gonna go swimming. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye!